back to my channel if you're new here. Hello, my name is Amanda. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. We are jumping a little bit out of order because we needed to love all the lipstick. Today we are coming at you with the NYX Lippie Countdown look number 4. We are doing a super Christmassy look. I feel like it's kind of like 2013 vibes. Maybe not my favorite, but definitely super Christmas vibes. So we're shooting our Christmas card today, and so we needed to have a super festive look. So I'm gonna be taking you guys through this look super easy and using products number 12 and 13. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get straight into today's look. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get straight into today's look. We're doing very Christmassy vibes. We are going to be taking our Christmas card picture today. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into today's look. We're gonna be doing a super like Christmassy look today to match with Evan and I. We have our matching pajamas. Billy has a little Santa outfit and Tino has his little Santa helper outfit. I'll put in little clips here so you guys can see. Super cute. Super cute. So we're gonna do super Christmassy. So today we're gonna be using days 12 and 13's products, and we're gonna do a super Christmassy fun look. Day 12's product is their Utopia Gold eyeshadow. I'm a little scared to use this, but we're gonna figure it out. And we're gonna be using day 13. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Monte Carlo. So first I'm gonna go ahead in and put on the lip color so we can see what we're working with, and then we can kind of go back and work backwards a little bit and do the eye look. So let's go ahead and put this on. Oh, she's pretty. I know I said I wasn't gonna do this for any of the lips. This is a really good way to stop and talk. I look like, what is it, the Mad Hatter, the Queen of Hearts? I don't even know. I've never even seen the movie. But I think I want to line my lips just because red can be really harsh and like look kind of crazy if you don't line it properly. So, okay, I kind of like wiped that off a little bit. I'm just gonna go in, unfortunately this isn't a NYX liner. I do have one, but I just don't know where it is. This is Summer Royce Beauty. I found this in like a package, like in my parents' storage bin that I had gotten like forever ago. Like literally I think I was a sophomore in college. I remember it coming in. This is their Automatic Luxe Lip Kit Lip Liner and Sharpener. I'm just gonna go in and line my lips a little bit. This is always super flattering when we get this up close. You can see every pore and bump on my face, but I saw this thing on TikTok, and I don't really know if I did it that right, but we're just gonna try, where you're supposed to overline like the middle parts of your lips, and then when you get to the end, you kind of like, maybe it was better on that side, like you don't go all the way to the corner. You like pull it in more, so then your lips look more like pouty, I guess. I'm gonna wipe it off a little on that side and try it. We'll see. Okay, let's see the bottom lip. I feel like my lips do look bigger. I don't know. Oh, don't do that though. Okay, well, this is not working out that great for me, but we're gonna go over it with Monte Carlo. I'm not a huge fan of that liner, to be completely honest. It could be very old, and that could be why. But I just feel like I wasn't able to get like a super precise line. Like I was able to do it easier with this, which is kind of unusual. Kind of look like a Bratz doll. Oh, but that's the problem. You like really can't like rub your lips together because it messes everything up. And this isn't like super matte, so I don't think it's gonna stay that well. Okay, we're just gonna go with that for now, I guess. What's bothering me is with this lighting, you can like see like my Cupid's bow through this. So you can tell it overlines, but whatever. Okay, yeah, this is gonna be an issue. Lining that eye, because it's gonna keep bleeding into like the corners. So I'd probably only recommend doing that with like a super matte lip, because that is not really working. Maybe we can throw some of the, oh, let's try this. I'm gonna go and grab a tissue. Actually, I don't think I have any like tissue, so I'm gonna grab toilet paper. And we're gonna try and make it matte with their HD finishing powder, just to see if that helps this at all. So, be right back. Okay, so we're gonna take the toilet paper apart so it's like super, super thin. And, put on your lips there. Maybe wait till you're ready. I'm gonna go in with this and take it on my little powder brush. That kind of worked. I don't really know if it was just the toilet paper that like kind of like took off the sheen, but it's definitely more matte now. Okay. We'll see how this works. Okay. I also just realized this look is going to be very much so box inspired here. I'm not exactly sure what we're gonna do for this eye look, if I'm being completely honest, because I feel like maybe gold like lid is kind of like outdated. I'm wondering if we could kind of use this as like a liner, but this stuff is like super, super oh, we might. Okay. We're gonna try and do a liner. I'm gonna wipe that off. We're just really just trial and error in this whole thing here right now. Okay. Okay. We're gonna pull you in. So I am going to start with like a super neutral, super simple eye. So not that I really want to do like the same look as day one over again, but we're gonna do something similar just because it's super easy, achievable, and like you guys will all have like products like this. So we're gonna start with a bronzer and just kind of warm up the lid, throw it in the crease. So I am going in with my Hoola bronzer on my big fluffy JH30 Morphe brush. So we're just going in with the Hoola bronzer on the JH30 just to kind of bronze up, warm up the eyelid. And we want to keep this like kind of as basic and neutrally as possible, because red lip and gold glitter is a lot. So, but Christmassy nonetheless. I am just gonna go back in with my highlighter and kind of bring that into the corner and a little bit onto the lid, just so that like it's kind of bringing in that warm goldy kind of sparkle, but then we're gonna kind of make it like a little, you know, a little extra. And you could just leave it at that if you don't, you know, want to go for the gold lid. I typically probably wouldn't, but because we have this product, we gotta figure out something to do with it. So, oh, we are really up close and personal. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this small angled brush. This is by e.l.f. And I am just going to tap into this shadow here. It's super like flaky, so I don't think it's gonna be that easy to work with, but we're gonna make it work. I am just gonna start by going in like right on the lash line. Ooh, this has a lot of fallout. We are falling right onto the cheek. Okay, if you have little fallout stickers, I would recommend for this one. Okay, I need more hands. Carrying her along the lash line, kind of using the paper to wing it out as well. We're gonna try on the other eye as well. Well, we are sparkly. That is for dang sure. Okay. Okay, wow. It's something, that's for sure. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to throw on my mascara and my lashes, and we're gonna come back and show you guys this finished look and see what we think. Okay, so we're back. The lipstick is on, the lipstick was already on. The lashes are on. I actually did put another coat of lipstick on just because I felt like it was looking a little pink when we made it matte. So I did go ahead and put another coat of her on. I will say, this video like obviously isn't sponsored or anything by NYX, so I do feel like fine telling you this. There is a red lip that I definitely recommend more than like any of the NYX ones. The best red lip I've ever used is the Sigma. I believe it's called Venom, Liquid Venom or something like that. I'll put a picture on the screen here. I will link it down below. It goes on and stays there. It does not move. You can eat, drink, whatever all day long and it's not gonna move. I cannot recommend it enough. I actually went back in with a little bit more gold. If you guys have watched the, I think I just showed you guys in NYX Lippie Countdown look number 1, Vlogmas Day 2. I've been putting on my eyelash glue onto my lid and then putting my lashes on. So after I did that, it picked up the like glitter so well, and I feel like it's like stayed better and it looks super more pigmented and all of that. I do feel like this look is a little bit outdated. I feel like it's very like 2013, whatever. But I feel like Christmas time is like, you know, there's no rules. There's no rules. You look festive and that is the only rule. So I don't know if this is my favorite look ever, but she does scream it's Christmas. So I think her mission was accomplished with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and like finish off my hair and everything, show you guys the finished look. So I will be right back with that. Okay, you guys, I'm back. The hair is done. It's a little, still really curly right now, but it is what it is. We're going for like a really bouncy, like Christmassy look. So here we are. I'm going to zoom in, show you guys the final look, and finish out this video. Okay, you guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this super Christmassy look. Again, as always, if you guys recreate this, definitely be sure to tag me in it on Instagram if you post on your stories, your feed, whatever it is. Send me your selfies. I would love to see you guys in this super Christmassy look. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will have all of these products linked down below for you guys. Until tomorrow, stay blessed and don't forget to live lovely. Bye.